Hi, Lori and Unique. I'm glad you are last. Saving the best for last here. I've had you both in class before, and I recall you both do good work. Okay, I'll take a look at what you're doing. Let's see if I can guess your audience. Okay, so I like the orange and white. They work together. The drop shadow is something that they used to do back when Photoshop first started, so you don't see it too much more these days. If you do see a drop shadow, it's usually really soft and it's not black. But that said, this combination really works well. And so this would be the back, right? This is the back of the sleeve. So maybe you want to add an additional barcode maybe on its side, all rights reserved, anything that makes it look real. This is the spine. Consider putting Phototech on here. You can even have some of it go behind the photo. And then the photo itself, I wonder if you could brighten that up a bit. I recommend taking a look at Ashley's and see what she did with hers. I think she brightened it up and then she used a pretty light background that helped pop it out more. Okay, Unique. That's cute the way you have the phones sort of stacked. Maybe you want to add even more, go over the top. I would try to brighten them up a bit. And then as far as the rest of the design, I think it is playful. I don't think that font is Gill Sans. It's not the end of the world if you don't use what they suggest. You might find, though, if you're going to change the font, you might want to find something a little more unique. Otherwise, center justified type is just meant for sort of headlines, invitations, and gravestones is what I've heard in the past. A nice left justify, or even this force justified block works, but break it up into easy to read snippets. So that's really all I had to say. I do recommend that you both review this article. It just talks about drop shadows, bevel emboss, starburst, type combinations, etc. Here, Lori, it shows some nice drop shadows. Very soft. You're going to use those. Talks about a subtle shadow. I'm not sure they really got the point across by using a black background, but as you hover over it, it's really hard to tell, but there is a drop shadow there. Same with this one. Kind of hard to tell. Let's see what this layered shadow is. You can see that one a little bit better. But anyway, let me know if you have any questions.